Hello. Welcome back to our series on the voice search optimization. In other words, you can call it optimizing for voice search as well. So it's the third video in this series, and today we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We will be discussing how voice search affects SEO strategies. So voice search isn't just a new addition to our digital lives. It's fast becoming the future of online search somehow. It's changing the way we interact with our digital devices or homes and even how we shop. With this shift, SEO strategies too have to evolve as well. Let's see how. So, point number one is semantics. Voice search is all about context. How we speak is different from how we type, isn't it? Longer queries and full sentences are more common in voice searches, so that's a very interesting point, I would say. So SEO needs to consider semantics, the science of meaning in language, and focus on answering these naturally spoken queries. So voice search semantic SEO is kind of becoming more popular with each passing day. And then the point number two is the rise of local SEO. Like searches like near me, these searches have seen a significant boost with voice search. Consumers use voice to find local businesses, services, and places. So businesses therefore have to emphasize local SEO to make it into voice search results. And then the third thing that we should not forget, it's about speed. We users are impatient, we want immediate responses. A promising voice search experience is highly dependent on the speed at which the information is delivered. If your website takes ages to load, you're out of the race in the world of voice search. That's what I think of it. So, in a nutshell, if you look at it, uh, more prominent local SEO, and then obviously you need to consider semantically relevant queries, more long tail queries, I would say, and then like look at achieving topical authority, and then user experience is becoming more and more relevant. So in a nutshell, it's affecting everything. So how, so your natural question obviously it would be like, how can I ensure to be a voice search proof? Like for example, if I'm not actually optimizing for voice searches, how should I secure my website appear in voice in response to voice searches as well, if I'm not that much cognizant of the voice search. So uh, I would say if you care about semantic SEO, if you care about achieving a topical authority, if you care about user experience and the layout of your website, the speed, the core web vitals, and all the related things, if you keep user at the forefront of everything, then I guess you should be okay. You should be fine. Anyway, if you're a big brand, even a medium brand as well, a pizza shop, a service shop, or something like that, I think it's good to keep in mind the voice search, and that's what this series is all about. So thank you for listening. See you in our next episode. Until then, I think you should subscribe to the channel if you found it useful. I'm waiting for the comments because I take ideas from new videos from the comment section. So I'll really appreciate if you can comment and tell me what you would like to see apart from the series that we are already doing and how can we improve. So thank you for watching.